Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a channel in Telegram on laptop. So firstly download and install Telegram web Telegram desktop application. Open Chrome browser or any browser and type Telegram desktop. You will see official download option. So download and install, then double click on it to open Telegram application. To create a new channel, click on this menu icon. Here you will see option new group, new channel. Select new channel. Give your channel name. Add description. Then click on create. You can select public or private. Make sure once you select public channel, anyone can find the channel in search and join. Once you select private channel, only people with an invite link can join. Now here, give your channel URL. You will see this link is available. So click on save. So this way you can create a new channel in Telegram. Thanks for watching.